Hi guys, this is Andrew from MarineMax Boston. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on a brand new 2022 276 Sailfish. Boat just got to us, does not currently have an owner, and it's eager to find a new home. So let's start in the back with the engines. We have twin 200 Mercuries in black. They can also be outfitted to be white as well. On all Sailfish, we have our ski tow. Comes up, great for water sports, gets out of the way. Have rod holders in the back, knife holders, nice big seat. This boat's also fitted with two side seats that fold out. So if you want to be fishing, you can utilize this space, or if you also want to be entertaining, you can also throw the seats down. Fish boxes on both sides as well. Also on the aft, we have our live well and our shower. Working our way forward, we have a nice entertaining seat right here. With a little sink, freshwater sink here. Adjustable seat. This backrest can be fitted in 3 different positions. It can also go all the way down as well. Storage underneath the seat here for life jackets, coolers, things of that nature. Going into the head. Very spacious head. Sailfish does a nice job of utilizing all space. Get the most out of it. We have another box in here. We use for numerous things, water skis, anything water sports related. It's big. At the helm, we have our nice captain seat with a flip-up bolster and adjustable armrest. This boat is actually outfitted with twin Garmin screens. You can have fish finder go on this one and a chart plotter on this one. The 200 Mercuries have digital shift and throttle. Makes for a nice smooth. Working our way to the front, we have a nice door that comes out here. Blocked from the wind, as well as this sliding window that comes over. Makes it a little bit more protected. This boat is equipped with a windlass that can be controlled from here and at the helm. If you have any more questions on this 276 Sailfish, give me a call. My name's Andrew. My phone number is 978-879-3721. Thanks.